what's up, guys? Got a question for you. How long is your estimates good for? I guess it ain't that big of an issue on a change out. Someone will be like, oh, okay, yeah, a couple of weeks ago. But, you know, on some of these new constructions, they're running kind of long. Like on this renovation project I'm working on, it was done in November of last year. So you're talking about, man, coming up on a year. And you know how many price increases and all that. But I'm just curious, how long y'all's estimates good for? Let me know in the comments, man. Thank y'all.